We all love a rich and delicious cheesecake, but can I make a cheesecake at home? The answer is yes. And at Asai Guy Cooks, we got the perfect recipe for you with apple cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the cheesecake crust. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes to form the crust. Now let's prepare the apples. Time to make the cheesecake filling. Let's build the apple cheesecake. Set your timer for 60 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Cheesecakes date back to the ancient Greeks on the island of Samos during the 5th century BC. During this period, cheesecake was popular as a wedding dessert. That looks great right out of the oven. Setup takes about 6 hours or overnight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's really good. The cheesecake combines the creamy richness of traditional cheesecake with the warm, comforting flavors of spiced apples. Join the community. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Everybody's going to love the cheesecake that you made at home. Stay with us. Watch the next video.